three modules. Okay, now we'll continue with the fifth module, that is an soldering and brazing related this is, and also some inspection methods are there. Okay, so this is what the syllabus on your screen. Can you see the notes on your screen? Okay, so the metrological aspects in the welding, soldering and the brazing, this is another part of the subject. Okay, so the metal casting related we have discussed so far. Now we are going with an welding section. Okay, welding related. So before going for the fourth model, just you have to understood regarding the welding rods, structure of the weld, how the welding should be done. Okay, the formation of the different zone during the welding. So during the welding there are so many zones are been created related that you have to study. Okay, and that's the heat affected zone, and the parameters that affect in the heat affected zone. Okay, then the next is the effects of the carbon content on the structure due to the welding. Some of the carbon contents have been deposited on the welding, that's also you are going to study. The properties of the steels, okay, different metals. Okay, the whatever the properties may undergo some changes during the weldings, that also we are going to study. Okay, then once again the shrinkage in the welding occurs and some of the stresses are being entrapped, that's are called as in residual stresses, that also you are going to study in this unit. And next is the concept of electrorods, which different types of electrorods, that's are the welding rods which are being used for the welding purpose, that you are going to study. The filler rods and the flux which are being used in the welding rods. Okay, and next is the welding defects and the detection, how the defects are been identified, that also you are going to study. Okay, then afterwards next is the soldering and the brazing. Welding, soldering, brazing, these three are the different concepts or the different methods for joining the two parts or making an assembly. Okay, just keep in your mind and you have to understood this one. Soldering, brazing and the gas welding principles, on what this are been working. Okay, oxygen acetylene welding procedure you are going to study. Oxygen hydrogen welding procedure you are going to study. Air acetylene welding procedure you are good to study, and the gas cutting and the powder cutting. So these are the some of the methods, the procedures you are going to study. Then some of the inspection methods are there to check the identifying the cracks in the weldings. Same inspection methods may also use for the casting purpose also. Okay, so which are that inspection methods? The methods used for inspection of the casting and the welding. Usual inspection is there, magnetic particles inspection is there, fluorescent particle inspection is there, and ultrasonic inspection is there. Okay, radiography, eddy current and holography. So these are the some of the methods, other inspection methods, that all you are going to study in this module. Okay, so this is what the some of the concepts as per your syllabus that you are going to study in the module number 5. It is a simple module. Okay, only you have to understand the procedure of the different types of welding methods and you have to follow it. Okay, so now let us see the formation of the different zone in the welding. Now you can see in this diagram over here, in this diagram you can see the workpiece is there. Okay, at the middle there is a welding is been done. Okay, the electrorods is been my voice is audible, my voice is audible, my voice is audible. Okay, the formation of the different zone in the welding. Okay, during the welding, when the heat source interact with the workpiece material, the flow of the temperature in the material varies from the region to region, resulting in the three distinguished regions, or you can call as a zone. So I hope you have seen the welding. Okay, during the welding, so whatever the heat is been released, you have seen the welding of in two parts of metal or the welder during the welding procedure. Okay, So what is the main thing is over there? So see, due to an welding, okay, when the electrode is introduced to an workpiece, okay, when the workpiece is been